So 2 years in, and or almost 2 years, and my shop is still not finished. And one of the things, the major hurdles to getting it finished is getting the walls finished. And in order to do that, I need doors. And you know what they say about the cobbler's children have no shoes? Well, the blacksmith's house and shop have no latches or hinges. So I'm working on rectifying that. And I'm going to make a latch today, going to start on a latch for the front double door of the shop. One door it's going to be made like French doors, so one door will be stationary most of the time, and I need a thumb latch on the other door so that it will function as a normal door. And I'm going to use this piece of wrought iron here. This is from the Old Globe grain elevator in Ontario, I think. And I've been wanting to try some more of this iron for different projects like this and see how it works out. I'm going to be doing all the shop hardware in wrought iron. So I'm curious to use this piece and see how well this iron works, because wrought iron varies a lot in quality and makeup and workability. So yeah, I'm really curious to see if this Old Globe iron will make good latches. So I'm once again referring to Albert Sonn's massive tome, Early American Wrought Iron. This book was written around 1920, in the 1920s, I think. And it has literally thousands of pieces of early American hardware. And I've picked out this latch to try to replicate. I can only get so close from a drawing, but I'm going to try to get as close as I can to replicating this. It's a nice looking latch. It has some file work around the finial up here, the upper cusp. I don't know what the back group, the other parts to the latch, looked like for this particular latch. So I'm just going to kind of guess at it and try to get something a little fancier, but still in a Pennsylvania style, because that's a Pennsylvanian latch. So I'm kind of looking at this grouping here. Basically what I need is a latch bar, a staple to capture it, and some kind of catch. Oh, I love the way wrought iron feels under the hammer. As long as it's not delaminating on you or something like that, it works a lot nicer than just about any steel. Softer to forge welds easier. I'm working the end of this bar of wrought iron, and the end is where cracks want to start in wrought iron. So I need to really keep it really screaming hot while I'm forging the very end of the bar. pretty well. Okay, I want about 3 inches or so. Okay, that's getting there. All right. So that's going to do it for part one. I've got all the forging done. All that's left to do is to punch the holes for the fasteners and for the thumb press. The handle bow came out a lot shorter than on the original I was trying to copy, and so I'm not very happy with that. But overall, I think we captured the spirit of the original, and I think it's definitely good enough to go on my shop doors. So in part two, when we get that out, we will go ahead and make the thumb press, get it fitted to this, make the back group or the parts to the back of the latch, the rest of it. And so that's all for today.